Hi everyone, it's Deborah, and I am coming on today to show you some projects that I've been making from the Scrap Diva Designs dies that I purchased from her. First off, I'm going to start off with the Scrap Diva Designs mini scalloped envelope, and let me show you what I have made with those. Oh my goodness, they are so cute. So let me put a piece of paper down so you can kind of see. So it is, once again, Scrap Diva Designs mini scalloped envelope. I do take them out and put them in here. I take them out of the packaging and put them in here. So here we go. There's a large and a small. So I'm going to show you the small ones I made so far. And I got to hurry because I got to go to work in a few minutes. So I'm just going to make this real quick. Oh. So here's the small ones. I used a lot of scrap paper and I put a little Velcro dot on them to make these, and two-sided paper. Isn't that cute? Okay. Here's one with polka dot paper. Okay. Super cute. They all have the Velcro dot. Here's a couple with, oh, here we go. Let's do these two. So the same paper, just reversed it. They are so cute. I'm trying to use up all my scraps, and anything that's, you know, left over, I'm trying to make stuff like this. Look at these. Aren't they darling? I think this might be an old Hobby Lobby paper, but I'm not sure. And then this is from the Michaels collection. A lot of these papers are from the Michaels Valentine collection. Now, this one that I'm going to show you, this is Echo Park paper, and then the Michaels paper as well. So just... I am in love with this die. Now, this is a Hobby Lobby paper, Disco Cowgirl. And then I'm not sure what this other is, but these are just scraps that I'm using. This is going to be the Echo Park. I have to show you this. Look at that. You open it up, and there's a little heart balloon, and then the Volkswagen Bug. Oh my goodness, I probably shouldn't have said that. Hopefully they don't get me. But this is an Echo Park paper, and the Disco Cowgirl, I just combined them. And that Disco Cowgirl is from Hobby Lobby. And then here's some more of that Echo Park paper in Disco Cowgirl. Alright, those are the small ones I made. Okay, here's the large ones. I didn't make a lot of them. So, this paper, cute. You could put, I don't know what you could put in them. This was a different combination. I'm not sure what collections these are from. And then these two. Okay. I like the smaller ones better. Okay. Here's two from another collection. I can't remember. I worked on it earlier, the video before this one. I told you I was going to do the stamp. I finally went and got a block. The stamps do very, very well, but you do have to condition them. Okay. Now, let me show you. Oh, I love this one. Scrap Diva Designs Valentine word tags. Oh my goodness. Those are cute. All right. So, friends, I double-sided them. Just show them to you like that so you can see. They're all going to be so different. I had these paper clip tassels, and I thought I'm going to use those on that. So, there you go. Love. Double-sided, it made it a lot thicker. And then these. cute. And then these hugs, and I didn't put a word on this one, just kept it plain. Then hugs and love, another love. That's probably not the best ribbon, but it was okay. And then Cupid. Okay. And then I had, sorry for shaking the table, guys. Let me put these up real quick, and then I'm going to show you what I did with some more tags. I mean, with more scraps. I made little tags, the little stitch tags. This is a different die that I have, but anyway, I just went to town and made all these little, just cut them out. I may double them up, and then I may not. I don't think it's absolutely necessary, especially if you put them in a journal and somebody wants to write on the back. But anyway, I am making a ton of ephemera, and I'm going to go through my Christmas stuff and do the same thing and just have it ready. All the holidays, the fall, everything. I have a ton of scraps, and I just have to figure out how to store all of these. If you have a suggestion, please let me know. Anyway, that is it, guys. I'm going to go ahead and get this video up and go to work. All right, you guys take care and have a great day. Bye.